Welcome everyone to a new video of learning Python by building games. In this video, we'll learn how to make rock, paper, scissors game using Python. Let's start. First, we'll import the random library, import random, and then we'll define the possible choices. Choices equals rock, and then let's try the other choice, which is paper and scissor. Now let's define the player's choice. Player choice equals input. We'll tell them to input something. We'll write the choices that they have. Choose rock, paper, or scissors. This is what will appear to them on the screen. And leave a space. Next, let's define the computer choice. Computer choice equals, I'll tell the computer to choose a random choice from the choices we defined earlier. So write random, which is the library name, dot choice from the choices we defined. And now here comes the part of building the game. We'll use an if statement. If player choice equals computer choice, then print it is a tie. Elif is a short form of else if. Player choice equals rock and computer choice equals scissors, or now I'll just write all the possible choices that the user and the computer will choose that lets the user win. If the user chose rock and the computer chose scissors, obviously the user will win. Now, let's see what other possibilities we have to let the user win. I'll write them, then I'll tell you what I wrote. I've made a mistake. I wanted the variable to be player choice. So I'll just go and change them all. Or I have a shortcut to change them. We'll just go to the main variable and go to refactor, rename. I'll make it player choice. No, I mean player choice. It'll change them all. Now, I've wrote all the possibilities that will let the user win. If the player choice equals rock and the computer choice equals scissors, rock wins the scissors. Or the player choice equals paper and the computer choice is rock, then the player will win. Or player choice equals scissors and the computer choice is paper, the scissors wins the paper. Keep in mind that we have to put each possibility in a bracket and then put an or outside the brackets and then put the other possibility in another bracket. Now let's write what will happen if the user wins. We'll print you win. Else, if we went to the else part, that means the computer wins. Print sorry, you lost. And that's our game. Now let's try it. Let's run it. Choose rock, paper, or scissors. Let's try rock. We have an error. Let's see what's wrong. It says line 7. The error is that I used a set instead of a list. We need to use a list. Now let's run it. choose rock, paper, or scissors. Let's choose rock again. You win. Let's make another edit. Here, it didn't tell us what the computer chose, so let's go and print the computer's choice. Go to this line, line 8, and write print. We'll use something called an F string. We'll write F, put quotation marks, and that lets us use a variable inside the string. Let's write, for example, the computer chose, and then put curly braces. Write the variable. In this case, we'll use the variable computer choice. Now let's run it. Choose rock, paper, or scissors. Now let's choose paper. The computer chose rock. You win, cause the paper wins the rock. Let's run it again. Let's choose rock. The computer chose paper. Sorry, you lost. Let's choose scissors this time. The computer chose rock. Sorry, you lost. What will happen if we wrote our input in capital letters? The computer wouldn't detect this input as one of our choices. So for that, we need to make a small edit. Go to Input, line 5, and after the bracket, write dot lower. This is a function that will let the computer change whatever we input into lowercase letters. Let's try it. Choose rock, paper, scissors. I'll make them capital letters. Rock. The computer chose paper. You lost. The paper wins the rock. Let's run it again to see if it detects it. Write, for example, paper in capital letters. The computer chose rock. You win. That means that the computer detected that we entered these letters in small letters, because we changed it using this function. This is a function that works only on strings. And that was our video for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Also, I've linked a playlist that has all Learn Python by Building Games videos. Go check it out.